Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by accessing File Manager app. When you're ready, click on File section at the top in the middle. Click on Phone Storage. And last but not least, click on Download folder. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it and pick the best source for you. In my case, Gallery. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!